Hi, my name's Eric. I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw lightning dragons with men and women riders. Okay, let's start out by drawing the framework of the dragon. Let's just do a basic circle for that. And let's draw a line through that, bring it up, come back down, and then let's add just a general body shape here. I'm going to do kind of a curved balloon shape. And then let's make the tail a bit longer. Now let's add a bit of a thigh for a leg. Come down, bring it forward, add some shapes there. Whoop. And let's add the back leg. Just gonna come down like that, add some claws. Now let's add framework for the wings, which are going to be like inverse L's. Bring out 3 lines here, 2, 3, 1, and let's do another one here. Bring this up, 1, 2, 3, do another line here. And now the lightning dragon, I think I'm going to make it like bat wings, but bring it down and make it more textured. That, and that. And this up. Connect these ones in the back wing. Bring that down. Bring that up. Okay, now let's connect this body here. The back legs. This, erase that. Add the tail. Connect that there. A little bit of a triangle at the end of the tail. Let's add kind of a beak form there. Do that. And I want this one's mouth to be open, so I'm going to bring this down. Bring that up. Add some teeth. Add an eye. Now let's add the rider to this. Now the rider is going to rest right around the neck area. Some legs. Add the torso. Bring an arm down. Arm there. Arm here. Draw their head. Whoop. Draw their head there. Got some hair flowing off of them. All right, and then let's just draw some quick lightning coming out, which is going to just be some serrated lines. And there you go. That's how you draw lightning dragons with male and female riders.